friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. Today I will show you a beautiful hairstyle for long hair. First of all, comb your hair well and then tie them with a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Once again, comb in loose hair. Now divide your hair in 4 portions. Take one portion and simply roll your hair in upward side. And finally, tuck this hair roll with a hairpin. Spread this roll evenly and tuck the side hair with the help of hairpin. Similarly, take another hair portion and make another hair roll in upward direction. Make sure you tuck these hair rolls perfectly with the hairpins. As you can see how beautiful this hairstyle is turning up. Follow the same procedure with all the 4 portions. Lastly, to give a fancy look to this hairstyle, I am using some pearl hairpins and flower pin in the center of the 𝙬𝙧. See how easily you can style your long hair. Let me show you how to make apple bun or apple 𝙬𝙧. Comb your hairs and make sure your hairs are not frizzy. Now put a rubber band in your hair and make tight ponytail. Once again, comb your hairs for no frizz left. Now hold the ponytail hairs and twist them and roll them and tuck the last portion of hair in it. Now gently pull the upper layer and cover the complete bun. Secure the 𝙬𝙧 with 𝙬𝙧 pins. Put a side flower or fancy clip to the bun to make it look more pretty. So here we have our very easy and cute apple bun ready. I am going to share the method of a very beautiful hair bun. Comb your hair and do a center partition and leave some hairs from the left and right side. Comb the remaining hair and tie them together with the help of a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Once again, comb the loose hair. Now make a braid of this loose hair till end and roll the end portion of the braid and tie it with the help of a thin black rubber band. Roll this braid around the rubber band with the help of 𝐄𝐸 pins and make a fine 𝐄𝐸. Tuck the 𝐄𝐸 properly with 𝐄𝐸 pins so that it doesn't open. Now take the loosened hair from the right side and comb them well. Make a braid from these hair. Once the braid is almost completed, pull the hair from the braid. Start rolling the loosened braid around the 𝐄𝐸 and tuck it with the help of 𝐄𝐸 pin. Repeat the same process for the loosened hair on the left side and comb them well. Make a braid from these hairs. Once the braid is almost completed, pull the hair from the braid. Roll the loosened braid around the 𝐄𝐸 and tuck it with the help of 𝐄𝐸 pins. Pull the hair from the main 𝐄𝐸 to give volume to your hairstyle. To beautify the 𝐄𝐸, I am using some fancy hair pins like silver flowers, pearls, etc. So here we have our very beautiful and easy to make hairstyle ready in just 4 minutes. I am sure you will definitely try this hairstyle. Let me show you a hairstyle with the help of handkerchief. Comb your hair and tie them with a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Now take a handkerchief and roll your hair in it. Simply roll your hair in handkerchief and carefully tie the handkerchief on rubber band. Now take the edges of the hair and merge them together with the help of hairpin. Make sure there are no open hair on the sides and all are secured with hairpin. Finish the bun look with the fancy hair clip. See how easily you can style your hair with a handkerchief. I will show you a Bollywood style hair bun. First of all, comb your hair and make sure that your hair are not frizzy. Tie your hair with a rubber band and make a ponytail. Not high one but little higher from your neck back. Divide your hair into two portions. Now, out of one portion, take some hair and start making braid from hair. Here we have a twist. Gently take few hair from this portion and add them into the side of your braid. As you can see that I am making braid also adding loose hairs. Once it is done, finish this with a very thin black color rubber band. Do the same thing with another portion. Now take both the braids and make braid till the end of your hair. Gently roll this braid inward side and tuck the edges into the ponytail rubber band. Carefully pick both the braids from their sides and tuck them on the center of the ponytail with the help of a hair clip. Make sure that the braids are properly tucked. As you can see how beautiful and stylish our bun is looking. So friends, don't forget to try this stylish hair bun and click the pictures and send it to me in comment box. Do like, share and comment. And yes, thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.